Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today we are celebrating Anna's birthday here on Tablescape Tuesdays. Okay, so I picked up this napkin and placemat set when I was thrifting in Maryland. Next, I'm going to come in with this charger I picked up at Hobby Lobby some time ago, clear with the gold beaded edge. Next, I have a gold metal charger that I purchased on Amazon, and if you're interested in this item, it'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. Dollar Tree gold rim dinnerware. And then I have a thrift find, these clear plates with the gold rim. Matching Dollar Tree saucer for the top. Next, I'm going to come in with these beautiful marble coasters with the gold edge that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago. These gold rim glasses were a thrift. All right, I'm going to come in with my napkins, my centerpiece, and a couple other items to complete this tablescape, and I'll meet you at the reveal. I hope you love this beautiful white and gold themed tablescape that I've created today, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create some beautiful outdoor tablescapes at your home. I'd like to thank our guest host this week, Divine Inspirations by Martha. Honey, she does some of the most gorgeous tablescapes, so you better stop by her channel and show her some love. And while you're at it, make sure that you stop by my fellow host, Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and wish her a very happy birthday and let her know that Amethyst sent you. If you enjoy tablescapes like today, decorate with me's, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more, then honey, you have reached the right channel. So be sure to click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So stop by to get all of the gold and white inspiration you can handle, honey. And let me take this quick opportunity to welcome all of my new subscribers to the Amethyst Adventure. Honey, You made my patio video my most viewed video ever since I've been on YouTube. So thank you for coming through. Thank you for showing up and showing out for your girl. I appreciate your support so much. And to my die-hard subscribers who have rode with me since the very beginning, honey, you know I love you like cooked food. Keep on riding with your girl, because it's only going to get better from here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.